Resident Evil 2 Deluxe Edition, and this is going to be a box opening video. First time opening it. So give me a second while I open it. Put my phone down just for a second. Okay, there we go. What I did was just open up that side right there. Sorry, holding this thing up with a phone. Alright, throw the trash somewhere. Resident Evil 2. And that's how it looks. Wow, I know there's a code in here if any of my subscribers want to have. The code is right there. Type it in the PlayStation 4 and get a free code. Resident Evil coupon, first come, first serve.